Welcome. So today I'll be showing us how to make our bow, double bow for that matter, for all those beautiful double bows you see on luxury dresses. So I made this dress and I said let me show you guys how I made the bow aspect of it. So I hope you enjoy. So first thing first, I cut out two different pieces. I'll be using the net of the dress to cover it. This is my satin. So I'm using the net I used for the dress to cover it just to give it a different look. So I went ahead to cut out the fabric the same size as the net. So for the first one, the bigger size of the bow, I cut out 20 inches in length, 20 inches, and for the width I'll be using 7 inches, 7 by 20. Then for the second one, I cut out 18 inches, 18 inches by 5 inches, 18 inches by 5 inches. So I'll be adding crinoline to the bow. So for this first one, I'll be using 6 inches size of crinoline, 6 inches, 6. Then for this other one, I'll be using the 3 inches size, 3 and 6. So let's get started. So first thing, I'll go ahead and sew here. I'll close up this. I'm going to close up this. So I'm going ahead to run my thread down. You can see, I'll just trim this off. I'll trim the excess off. So please, if this is your first time watching our videos, do well to subscribe, comment, like and share. Turn on the notification bell for more video updates. So now I'm going to turn right side out. So after this, I'm going to insert my crinoline inside. So this is a yard of crinoline, the 3 inches crinoline. I'm going to double it just to give it a more beautiful effect. So I doubled it and I'm going to go ahead and insert it. So after inserting, I'll go ahead and turn it in such a way that both ends will be facing each other like this. The midpoint will be facing each other. Then I'll go ahead and stitch. I'm going to run a stitch on this here. So remember, what I'm doing here is exactly what I'll be doing on the other big bow. So let me go ahead and stitch it and show you. So after sewing here, I'm going to open it up like this so I can top stitch on this center piece. I'll open it up and top stitch. So I'm gonna have to turn it out. Then I'll now make sure this center here, this middle here, will be placed directly here in the middle so as to conceal this part. So this will be gathered here. So I'm going to do the same thing for the big part and show you guys the outcome. Exactly what I did for this one, I'm going to do it for the bigger one, the bigger bow. So by the time so I've threaded my needle, I'll go ahead and tack from the center, making sure that they are in the middle. No one side is longer than the other. So let me check to confirm before I start tacking. It's even. So I'll now go ahead and tack. It's a bit hard, but we'll still pull through. You can either take it from behind or from the front, whichever way, it's fine. You see? So I'll keep pulling. See? So I'll do the same thing for this. So I'll just use this and wrap it. This is the only way I can be sure it is secured. While you're tying, you want to make sure also that they are both equal. So I think this is fine. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. So I'll go ahead now and do the other side. I'm just trying to tight, make sure it is well secured. So I'm trying to. So I'm going to go ahead now and do for the other one. So when I'm done, I'll show you guys the outcome. So I'm done tying both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead now and cut out what I'll use to cover here up. It's not supposed to be left this way. It's either you use trimming or you can simply cut out a piece like this that you use to cover it. This is 5.5. It could be longer, it could be shorter. I don't know if it should be enough. Let me check. See, it's not enough, so I have to cut out another piece. Okay. I think I have a long one. So I'll just sew here, turn it out, then use it to cover this. This is the finished look. So you can go ahead and place on it any appliques of your choice. You can use to maybe beautify it, make it look shiny and pretty. So I'll just attach this to it, just to give it a very beautiful look. You can see it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So after attaching it with my glue gun, I will show you guys. Isn't this pretty? So I'm done. I've gone ahead to attach it with my glue gun. So the next thing now is just to sew my fastener where I'll be clipping it to the dress. Isn't this beautiful? Please. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you love this.